The museum doors open, revealing a quiet, glowing wing. A guide robot, Curie, whispers, "This is where AI learned to learn." Old computers flicker with simple games, showing early AI brains. Programs stumble, fail, and improve, illustrating machine learning. The visitor asks, "It got smarter by practicing, not just being told?" Curie nods. "Yes, but practice depends on what you're shown." A giant globe displays human-made data used to train AI. Some words are brighter, some faded, highlighting data bias. Screens in the mirror gallery show AI creating realistic but fake content. The visitor wonders, "How do we know what to trust?" Curie says, "That question is why this museum exists." The final room reflects the visitor, showing AI's future depends on human choices.